Hello there! Today we are going to learn how to combine data from multiple cells that meet a criterion. For example, you have values in many cells and you want to combine them in a meaningful way. Here we have customer name and loan ID. And we want to get all loans for each customer. Unfortunately, Calc doesn't have a built-in function for this purpose. Standard functionality provides us only two suitable functions, namely concatenate and concat. Let's check the function. Open a function wizard and find concatenate function. Select each cell separately. Now use concat function. Here we can select all cells at once using a range. So as we can notice, concatenate functions joins value using separate cells, while concat function can combine all cells in a selected range at once, but again without any conditions. So, going back to the previous question, if we want to get information about all loans per customer, we are now able to use a brand new function CONCATIF. The function works similar to well-known function SUMIF or COUNTIF. So, press function wizard and select CONCATIF function. Now enter lookup value, lookup array, and return array. Also, we can use a delimiter to separate finded values. Let it be semicolon. So as we can see, our function has returned a list of all loans for specified customers. If you don't have the function in your LibreOffice Calc, don't worry about this. Just look into the description of this video to get the function. Hope the video was helpful for you. If so, please let me know in comments below. Thanks.